Replacing your home's entry, patio, or interior doors is more than a cosmetic update. It's an investment in safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, choosing the right door replacement service ensures that your home not only looks better but functions better for years to come. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you make the right decision. Look for local experience and reputation when searching for a door replacement service. Prioritize companies with a strong reputation in the Taylor community. Local providers understand the area's building codes, climate considerations, and common architectural styles. Why it matters. Michigan weather can be harsh, with cold winters and humid summers. An experienced installer will know which door materials and installation methods hold up best in this environment. How to check. Look at online reviews, ask neighbors for referrals, and verify how long the company has served Taylor, MI. A proven track record is a good sign of reliability. Evaluate the quality of door options. The right service should offer a variety of door types to match your home's needs and style. Common options include entry doors, steel, fiberglass, and wooden doors for enhanced security and curb appeal. Patio doors, sliding or French doors that maximize natural light. Storm doors, additional protection against Michigan's changing weather. Make sure the provider partners with reputable manufacturers and offers energy-efficient options. Energy-efficient doors not only reduce heating and cooling costs but may also qualify you for rebates or tax incentives. Ask about customization. Every home in Taylor has its own character. Whether you want a bold front door color, decorative glass panels, or modern hardware, customization matters. A good door replacement service should provide multiple design choices, a range of finishes and materials options for smart locks or advanced security features. This ensures your door fits both your style and your budget. Verify licensing, insurance, and warranties before hiring. Confirm that the company is licensed and insured to operate in Michigan. This protects you if an accident happens on your property. Also, ask about warranties, both on the door itself and the installation work. A strong warranty shows that the company stands behind its products and services. Check installation expertise. Even the highest quality door won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Skilled installation ensures a tight, weather-resistant seal, smooth operation without sticking or drafts, long-lasting performance. When speaking with providers, ask if their installers are trained, certified, or factory authorized. Compare estimates transparently. Price matters, but don't let the lowest bid guide your choice. Instead, request written estimates that outline cost of the door and hardware, labor charges, any additional fees, disposal of old doors, trim work, etc. Transparent pricing prevents hidden costs and helps you compare services fairly. Prioritize customer service. The best door replacement companies in Taylor don't just sell doors, they focus on customer experience. Look for signs of great service, such as clear communication from the first consultation, timely responses to questions, respect for your home during installation, follow-up support after the job is complete. Final thoughts. Choosing the right door replacement service in Taylor, MI requires more than a quick internet search. By focusing on local experience, quality products, skilled installation, and customer care, you'll find a provider who can deliver both beauty and function to your home. Your doors are the first impression visitors have of your property. Make sure you choose a service that helps your home shine while keeping your family safe and comfortable.